Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Then the Who's, young and old, would sit down for a feast. And they'd feast, and they'd feast, and they'd feast, 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 feast. Oh, off-screen narrator.
Yes?
I'm hungry. Feed me.
Excuse me?
Snack time. Me hungry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Grinch Rice Krispie treats. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 6 cups of Rice Krispies, 5½ cups of mini marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of butter, green food coloring, and I have little red heart sprinkles. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is add 3 tablespoons of butter to a pot, and we're going to let that melt. Once your butter is melted, we're going to add our 5½ cups of the marshmallows, and we're just going to stir until they're completely melted. Okay guys, once your marshmallows are completely melted, all we're going to do is add in our green food coloring to get our desired green color. And all you do is keep mixing until the dye is well incorporated. Okay guys, next we're going to take our marshmallow mixture and we're going to pour it into the bowl where we have our Rice Krispies. Okay guys, once you've poured your marshmallow mixture into your Rice Krispies, all you want to do is mix until everything is well coated. Okay guys, once you have everything mixed in thoroughly, all we're going to do is pour it into a 9x13 pan. Okay guys, once you have it in your pan, all I'm going to do now is take it out and put it onto my cutting board. To take it out your pan, guys, all you want to do is use a little spatula and just go around the edges so it will pop right out. Okay guys, once you have it out of your pan, all we're going to do is take a knife and cut it into squares. Okay guys, once you've cut it into squares, all we're going to add are our sprinkle hearts for the Grinch's small heart. Okay guys, so here we have it. Grinch Rice Krispie treats. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back again. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.